What was the question? If somebody can repeat, what's the question?
Sir, I
Question,
will read.
question
Probability
was.
of getting
Hmm. Probability
probability
of
of
getting
getting an ice from a well shifted deck of 52 playing cards.
Shuffle.
probability of getting A's in the deck of 52 cards, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you purchase a deck of cards, a packet of cards, there will be actually 54 cards. Those who have seen, they must have observed 54 cards will be there. In that, 2 cards are of no use. They are called as jokers. It is not considered in the set of cards. So only 52 cards have to be considered. In that 52 cards, you can look at A's here. As I had mentioned, there will be 26 black color and 26 red in color. This diamond and hearts, they are red in color. Club
Yes, sir.
and spade are in black color.
Yes, sir.
So black color, there are 26. Red color, there are 26. Out of this 26, there will be 13 club plus 13 spades.
Spades.
Out of this 26 red cards, there will be 13 diamonds plus 13 heart. So these are the type of cards which are there in the 52 cards.
Yes.
These cards, A's to 10, they are called as numbered cards. A's to 10,
10. Too bad.
these are number cards. These cards, Jack, Queen, and King, you can look at some faces there, isn't it? Jack, Queen, and King, there are faces. These cards are called as face cards. All right. Now the question was, what is the probability of getting A's? So totally there are 4 A's.
Yes, sir.
So the probability is 4 out of 52. What if the question is, black A's? What is the probability of getting a black colored A's?
Sir, 1 by 52.
1 by 26.
2.
It is
2 by
2
52.
out of 52.
52.
2 by 52 is 1 by 26. This will be the probability. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in this?
No,
No, sir.
Should I repeat how many clubs will be there?
Sir, in question they
13.
asked
Thirteen.
only A, sir. No black is. Only A's they asked.
Correct. What if the black A's are asked? That is what my question was. If they ask what's the probability of getting black A's, then this could have been the answer, isn't it? 1 by
Yes,
26.
sir. 1 by 26.
Yes, sir.
Diamond, there are 30. Heart, there are 30. Spade, there are 30.
13.
So 13 times
13.
4 is 52. So
52.
52 will be the total number of cards. In
Cards.
that,
Total number of
Yes, sir.
sir.
many questions can be asked. Say, for example, what is the probability of getting card which has got clubs? Probability will be 30. It's 52.
1 by 4.
Correct, sir.
Sir,
This is
they can
probability of
ask
getting clubs.
probability of getting jack.
Plus diamond.
What is the
Spades.
Ajay? What is the probability of getting red colored cards? Probability of getting
26
red
by
card.
52.
1 by 2.
26 by 52,
26
sir.
by
1 by 2.
52. 1 by 2. See, it's very simple,
1
isn't
by
it?
2.
Sir, 1 by 26.
Isn't it simple?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes, sir.
will
Just we
require?
have to understand which cards will be.
What type of cards are there in the deck of cards? If you understand this, you can answer class 10th question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If I ask, what is the probability of getting a
There are
face
four
card?
types of cards, sir. Sir,
Face cards.
4 by 52.
4 by 52?
Yes, sir.
Why 4 by 52, sir?
40 by
There are 4 A's in full deck of cards, sir. That's why.
Sir, 16 by 52.
Face cards, Ajay.
4 by 52. Somebody said it's a wrong answer.
A's.
Somebody said
Sir,
16 by
16 by
52.
A's, sir. I
This is also wrong.
40 by
12 by 52. 12
How many of you agree that it is 12 by 52?
Sir,
Sir, there are ace, jack, queen, and queen.
Correct?
There
and
are
jack.
four, three,
Sir,
four, three.
there is
Once
king, queen
again,
and jack.
once again, you look at
12 by
this part.
52, sir.
This part only you see. Here are the face cards. Understood? So totally,
Yes, sir.
3
3
are
into
there.
4, sir. 4.
3 are there in one row.
4 and
Likewise, there are 4 rows. 4 times of 3 is 12. So 12 by 52 is the right
12.
answer. This is the probability of getting
Yes,
face
sir.
card. It is 12 by 52. Vishwaradya,
probability is 3 by
yes, Uday has,
13.
Uday has a doubt. Naman has a doubt. What is the doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Then you are talking to yourself,
3 by 13.
or you are simplifying this,
Sir, can we?
isn't it?
Simply
Okay, sir. 3 by 13. Correct. So with this, I have completed the data handling chapter. Meanwhile, I'll be making a video on exemplar questions that you can refer in the YouTube. I'll give the link in the WhatsApp group. All right, we shall move ahead with the next chapter, square and square roots. We all have learned the meaning of square and square root, isn't it? We have learned.
yes.
Suppose if I give a random some numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are the square numbers in this?
one square number is 1 square, 2 square, 4 5, 6,
In this,
49, sir.
I am encircling some numbers here. 1,
149.
4,
Sir, x
9.
into x.
These numbers 1, 4, 9, they are the square numbers.
Yes,
The
sir.
square number is obtained by multiplying a particular number 2 number of times. We shall look at the statement here of a square number. Any natural number p which can be represented as y square, where y is a natural number, then p is called a square number. Look at the statement here. Natural number p which can be represented as y square, where y is a natural number, then it is called a square number. I have taken 149 as a square number because 1 is nothing but 1 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 9 is nothing but 3 square.
3
Here, observe 1, 4, 9. These are the natural numbers. 1, 2, and 3, they are also natural numbers. So a natural number is written as a square of another natural number. That particular number is called as a square number. Look at the example here. 4 is 2 square, 9 is 2, 3, 4 are the natural numbers, and 4, 9, 16 are represented as respective square numbers. These type of square numbers are also called as perfect squares. This word you have to remember, perfect squares. Look at this table here. Here there is a table of the square numbers right from 1 to 30. Jay Prakash, if you are not talking something, please mute. For convenience, you need to remember 1 square to 35 square. These numbers you need to remember so that it becomes easy while solving questions. Here only till 30 is there. You have to continue 5 more and you have to remember this. 2 square is 4. Randomly, if I ask what is 23 square, you should be able to tell it is 529. 24 square is 576. Like that, you should be able to tell. What is the square of 35? Is it 125?
Sir, 1225, sir.
1225.
1225.
Correct. Correct. You need to remember it like that.
95, sir.
What is the square of 34?
Sir,
What is the square of 34?
940,
square.
940 or 950, sir.
Is it?
940.
496, sir.
Multiply and tell.
1156, sir.
1156, sir. Sir, 1156, sir.
Understood. You need to remember this so that you will be able to solve the question very fast. All right, let's move on. There's something to be learned, properties of square numbers. These square numbers has got certain properties. We need to remember these properties. The first property you must remember is we can see that the square numbers are ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 only, but they doesn't end with 2, 3, 7, 8. You look at the table, the previous table. Look at the units place. Only the units place you observe. Is there any square number here, this side, right side, which has got 2 at the units place? 2 is not there.
No, sir.
2 is not there. 3, is it there?
No, sir.
3 is not there. How about 7?
No, sir. No, sir.
7 is not there. What about 8?
6 is also not there, sir.
8 is not there.
Not there, sir.
Sir, 6.
6 is also not there.
9 is
Sir,
there.
in unit place there are no.
Yes, sir. 6 also, sir. 5 also, sir.
For Punyatma, 5 and 6 it is there here only, no?
Sir, 5 and 6 are present, sir. 6, 6 are 36, 5, 5 are 25, sir.
Yeah, it is there. So what you must remember is the square numbers will not end with these 4 digits. Okay, if somebody asks you a question 13748, is it a square number? What will be your
No,
answer?
sir, because 8 is coming,
No,
sir.
sir.
Square numbers do not end with 8, sir.
Sir.
No, it is not a square number. Easily you will be able to say
Yes, sir. We can.
yes. So you
Yes,
need
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
remember that the square number always ends with one of the digit here. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. It doesn't end with 2, 3, 7, 8. This is the first property you must remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's look at second property. Any number having 1 or 9 in its ones place will always have a square ending with 1. If there is a number 1 square is 1. If there is a number 9, 9 square is 81. If there is 11 square is 121. Observe this pattern here. The number having the digit 1 and 9 in the units place, its square always ends with 1. This is the second property. Look at these numbers. 19 square is 361. 21 square is 441. So the digit ending with 1 and 9 always that particular number's square will end with 1. Like this, you can observe if there is a digit 4 and 6 in the units place, its square always ends with 6. I'll give few examples here. 4 square is 16, 16 square is 256, 24 square is 576, 36 square is 1296, 44 square is 1936. Observe the units place. The units place is 6. So if a number has 6 and 4 in the units place, its square always ends with 6. What about if a number is ending with 5?
Sir, always
Sir, it will always end with 5. Sir.
always
Very good, very good,
5, sir.
right
Five, sir. Five minutes.
very good. What if the number is having a 0 in the units place?
0, sir.
Zero only,
always
sir.
zero.
It always ends with 0.
Zero only. Zero.
Very good, very good. If a number which has 0 in its units place, its square will always have an even number of zeros at the end. What does this mean? Even number of zeros.
2 zeros, 4 zeros, or 6 zeros.
Yes.
Zero will have 1 0, square will have 2
Sir, it will be not like 3 zeros. It will every time it will be even zeros.
Even number of
2, 4,
zeros.
6, 8, 10, 12.
If I have,
100,
okay, wait for a while.
10 into 10.
If I have 10 square, its square ends with 2 zeros. If I have
Yes, sir.
100 squares, it ends with 4 zeros.
4 0.
Observe the number of zeros here. It is always an even number.
Even number. Yes, sir. Even number, sir.
Okay. So 10 square is 100. 50 square is 2500. Here observe the number of zeros. Even number of zeros are there. Look at 150 square. It is 225 followed by 2 zeros. So again, even number of zeros. Some more interesting pattern we have to learn. The pattern like add in triangular number. I will tell you what is the meaning of triangular number. You just observe the statement here. If we could arrange the dotted pattern of the numbers in a triangular form, then these numbers are called as triangular numbers. If we add two consecutive triangular numbers, then we can get a square number. Look at these dots here. These 3 dots, it's making a triangle. Here, 6 dots plus 3 dots, it's making a triangle. So 6 dots plus 10 dots, it's making another triangle. This particular number 1 also is considered in a triangular number. That's an exception. So when the consecutive triangular numbers are added, we get a square number. Can somebody suggest me what will be the next set of triangular numbers?
5, sir. 5
Is it
square 5. 5 into 5.
25.
5 square is
25,
correct.
sir.
What is the
25.
combination? 25 is correct. What is the combination? Something
12
something
plus
right? Huh? 12 is not a triangular number, sir. Please find it out. You make
Sir,
it out.
18 plus
9. 9.
Sir,
9.
18 plus
18 plus?
9 plus 16.
18 plus 9, sir.
The easiest thing you can do
18 plus 7.
is
9 plus 16.
make
Plus 9.
25
Sir, your
dots.
voice is not.
Voice is
Sir,
not clear.
18 plus 8.
Am I
9
clear
plus
now?
16,
Sir,
sir.
18 plus 8.
Let's
10 plus
do
15, sir.
this.
9 plus 16, sir.
9 plus 6.
So somewhere I have to make a triangular number.
Sir, 15 plus 10.
Observe these patterns. It has started from 1 dot, then 2 dots. Like that, we will continue here. 1 dot plus 2 dot plus 3 dot plus 4 dot plus 5 dot. Observe. Here, what will be the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. So 10 and 15 is a combination. Is that clear to
15
you?
plus 10.
Correct. 15 plus 10.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So all of you have understood adding a triangular number gives a square number.
Sir, how to check which number is triangular number?
Yes, sir.
See, it is forming a triangle, a right angle triangle precisely. If I say it's a right angle triangle, isn't it? Observe.
Yes, sir.
I am making a triangle on these dots.
Yes, sir.
So these type of numbers are called as a triangular number. I
Yes,
said
sir.
one
Sir,
one
if
is also
number is big,
considered.
we cannot do it.
The number is big, we can still do it. It's not a difficult thing. It's not an impossible thing. We can still do. The number between square numbers. Just observe. I'm giving a statement here. If we have two consecutive numbers n and n plus 1, there will be 2n non-perfect squares between their square numbers. I'll give an example to explain this. If I consider n to be 5, n square is 25. In this case, n plus 1 is 6 and 6 square is 36. Here 2n is 2 times of 5. This 5 is considered here 2n, 10. It means that there are exactly 10 numbers between 25 to 36 which are not a perfect square. We all know that 25 is a square number. The next number is 26,
Yes,
which
sir.
is not a square number, 27, 28.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Is it clear now?
Sir,
Yes,
it's
sir, it
clear,
is
sir.
clear.
I think so. Their net profit.
Let's count the numbers between this 26 and 36. 26 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I give in random some two perfect squares like 49 and 64, how many non-perfect squares are numbers are there between these two?
14, sir.
14. Why?
Sir, n is 7, 7 to the 14.
So this is 7 square, this is 8 square, 2n is 2 times of 7, so 14. So there are 14 non-perfect squares are numbers are there between these two square numbers. So this possibility of finding non-square numbers are when two consecutive square numbers are there. We cannot find continuously the non-square numbers between say 100 and 625. It's not consecutive. Is that clear? This is 10 square. This is 25 square. They are not consecutive. 10 square and 11 square, if it is there will be 20 numbers. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Yes, sir.
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 Okay, if you have understood this, I will ask one of you to say the answer. This time I will ask Jatin to answer. Jatin, how many non-square numbers are there between 13 square, which is 169, and 14 square? What is 14 square?
196.
196.
196.
Between these two, how many non-square numbers are there? Jatin? Jatin, answer please.
Sir, I will tell.
Ajay, wait. Some of you are giving answer in the chart. Good.
Yes, sir. 26. Yes, sir. 26.
Sir,
26.
26, sir.
13 to the 26.
Very good.
Yes,
Pihu,
sir. 13 to
Prajwal,
Explain the answer,
The
sir.
root of
many of you have
169
given
is 13, sir. 13
correct.
into 2.
Here already I have written 13 square, isn't it? So 2 times of 13
Yes, sir.
directly 26.
26.
Very good. So we shall move on with the next.
26, 177, 78.
Adding odd numbers. Sum of first n natural odd numbers is in square. What does this statement mean? Look at the pattern here. 1 is a square number. 1 and 3, they are
Sir, sound is
odd
not listening.
numbers. Ajay, you have problem with your net probably.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
These are odd numbers.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Whenever
shall I explain this, sir?
Shobhan wants to explain. Yes, Shobhan.
Sir, we can say that if we want to find 5 squares, sir, we can take first 5 odd numbers and if we add, we will get 25, sir.
Very good.
We can,
5 plus 5
We
plus
can
5
add
plus
first
5.
5 consecutive
sir.
odd numbers.
yes, sir.
Okay, good. Somebody has got another explanation for this?
So we can have same numbers, sir. 5 plus
Pritham,
5 plus.
Pritham, you are answering something?
Sir, if we add
Hmm.
first 4 numbers, odd numbers,
Hmm.
we will get 4 squares.
The very
If we
important
add
thing is
3 odd numbers, sir,
consecutive odd numbers.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose if I consider the sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11,
11.
13, what will be the sum?
What?
Hmm?
5, 6.
Very good, Pihu. 49 is the right
7
answer.
square.
Yes, sir.
49.
Sir, 7.
Because
Sir, we can say by counting the numbers, sir.
correct, sir. There are
Yes, sir. If
7
there are
numbers.
7 numbers, then we need to find out.
So 7
odd
square. So clearly, when number of odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers are considered, their sum will always give a square number. Okay, these are few of the properties which are related to square numbers and some more properties and the important concept square roots we are going to learn in the next class. That's all for today's class. Is there any doubt? If it's a doubt session for another 2 minutes, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay, then I shall end the class today. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.